my God!
Got an SR running. What's up, boys and girls? Welcome to another Never Settle Garage video. Today we are doing the first mod to the R9. And as you guys seen, I gave Alex the Ninja. He's buying that for me. We gotta do fit. We gotta make this thing mine, because right now it's still a stock R9. You guys have seen. First thing is first, this is hideous. We got to get rid of this. So, to help us out with that, we got new rage cycles, tail tidy, and turret signals delete. So, we're going to go ahead and get started on this. Open up the box, see what we got. Alright, as you guys know, these things are still pretty brand new. They came out last year. They were really hard to get. Still kind of hard to get. Shout out to World Power Sports and Urbana for this one. Hooked it up. In, out, easy process. Good guys over there. If you're looking for a sport bike, go check them out. Or a cruiser or a Harley. They got it all. Let's take a look, see what we got in here. Looks like we got our tail lights. These are our new turn signals. New plate light. Pretty easy install, looks like. You can go find a video or instructions on it, see how it goes together. Start taking the back of this apart. So I'm gonna set you guys up on a time lapse and get to work. Alright guys, so we got the rear right here off. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see. Alright, so we got the rear off. It's just this piece right here. You take off the little rear seat with the key. And two little push pins right here, and this just pops up. And it looks like I need an Allen key to get the seat off. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. Alright, so you see I got the seat off. There's just two little Allen key bolts there. Now from what I understand is I gotta take the these pieces right here off, and then should be able to get to the bolts for the whole tail assembly, and then it's just unplugging it, putting the new one on, and we should be good to go, I think. So I'm gonna go ahead, start with that, start trying to see what it needs to get these off. Looks like it's an Allen key here. Down there. Probably push key down there. There should be like 4 bolts, 2 on each side. So go ahead and get started with that. Go ahead and throw you guys on a time lapse. Alright, boys and girls, Samson showed up to help.
Yep.
I didn't know he was going to show up, and I guarantee he didn't know we were doing this, but we're here now. All we got left are these 4 bolts. I didn't take these other 2 completely out.
I got 2 out, just gotta do these 2. I already got the tail light and the signals unplugged here.
Yeah.
So
everything's unplugged, so the last bolt, and it should just come out. The whole assembly as a whole. Crazy what you gotta do with these new bikes to take them apart. They're being loud over there, making this video suck. Don't worry about that. Oh yeah, I was trying to wait till Adam left so I could film, and then they started making noise. I'm like, I give up. Anyway, yeah. If you guys are seeing this, you've already seen the announcement video of the R9. And Yeah, we're not leaving it stock, so this is gonna be the first mod that we do to it. And I think while we're here, I might as well take the reflectors off the front because I'm not gonna keep those. That's not happening. But yeah, I'm probably not throwing the plate light on. It doesn't matter.
You would do the same with the afterglow, right?
Yep.
Just record it all now, reveal it all, you know,
Afterwards.
reveal the bike, and then
Yeah.
be like, yeah, we did some mods, those we'll show here in a minute.
Pretty much. But yeah, so tail tidy, this side is on. Still have to run the wire, but so far so good. I mean, other than this piece back here, since they didn't sponsor me, we're gonna show you the bad. No, I'm just kidding. This piece right here broke and we had to hold it with pliers to tighten it. It's not the hugest deal, I mean, but honestly, future, just give us a nut to put on the other side.
Yeah, if you stick a nut here, then you can just, with 2 wrenches, just tighten it up real quick.
Yeah.
So it would be a lot faster than doing this, and probably cost less than this collar here does, the threaded
Probably.
collar. So probably be a way to cut down on cost even a little more
Yeah,
to make it faster for install.
would definitely be better. Oh, the fan ate another bug.
I would assume the reason it probably did that is because of the factory thread locker they put on it. Because once it got there, there's really nothing holding this collar in. It's just slightly pressed in there. So
Probably.
just a little too much pressure and it would push out.
But we're making it work. I don't know what to do about these.
We'll figure that out here in a minute.
Probably like something like that up in here. I don't know.
Yeah, it's got a slot here that it goes through, so we'll probably go like around like this.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
we'll get to that in a moment once this other one is tightened up.
Yeah, then we got to put all the stuff back together and mount the plate, which plate mounts to this, so. I just think it looks way better instead of having, like, the Ninja has the one that's out flat.
Yeah.
It's still kind of ugly, but I mean, it was 20 bucks. And I got rid of the big, long one.
Yeah.
And if this ever breaks, I'm just going to go with the integrated tail at that point.
Well, the integrated tail light would have been a lot easier. It was like 2 push-ins and
Yeah. But that would have been an even longer wait time. There's only one guy I know that I've seen that makes one, and he's like a month out. Plus,
such a new bike. It's going to be hard finding aftermarket parts.
Oh, it's-
so.
it's bad trying to find things that aren't either old out or not even made yet. I did successfully find frame sliders.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I didn't order them yet, but I found them.
How expensive are those?
Found them for like 120. No, still more than I wanted to spend on frame sliders though. I found a whole cage kit.
Oh, did really? Already?
Yeah,
How much is that? $1,000 probably.
it's like 700 for the front, another 400 for the back.
Yeah. Seems about right. I mean, that's about what I spent on those.
Yeah,
I think it was 600 and 300, or yeah, about 400.
yeah. I don't know if I'll do the whole cage though. That probably wouldn't be a bad idea. I'll do frame sliders for now. Maybe we'll do a cage later. A cage would be kind of cool. And it's like super tucked up to the bike too. Yeah, it's not like the ZX6 ones that come way out.
I'm gonna say the Gixxer's not bad.
No, it's not too bad. It's not nothing compared to that Honda. The cage on that purple one, that shit came out super far. But yeah, as you guys seen, probably the last video before this one, you seen that I got this. So I upgraded. Alex upgraded from a moped to a Ninja 500, and I upgraded from a 500 to a R9. And we got plenty more mods on the way. So if you're seeing this, you've seen the review video, the first ride video and all that. But it ain't gonna look like this forever. We got things coming. I got a bunch of stuff in the mail that's I'm just waiting to get. But like he said, it's hard to get anything for this right now. Kind of playing the waiting game. Which isn't a big deal. We're back. Alright, so they're both on and they work. What you doing? No, but yeah, wires, plugs are here. So I just gotta zip tie them up and then reassemble. So I'll throw you guys on another time lapse probably while we reassemble the bike. Sound like a plan. Alright, so we mostly got the bike put together. We put some bolts in the wrong spot because Samson wasn't here when I was taking it apart, and I didn't take any pictures because like an idiot. So, but you know, it is what it is. You live, you learn. You fuck up, you do it again. I don't know how bad the wind noise is to fan blowing, but it should be alright. But yeah, we're gonna get it all installed, get the seat and everything back on it, and then we'll do a little look-see, see how it looks. Alright, boys and girls, so this is what it looks like now. Way better than all of that. I'll insert some clips of how it looks outside, like on the road, like right here. Alright, so it works.
Hazards are way down there.
Yeah, so it works. Samson, thanks for your help, dude. I appreciate it. That's what the hazards look like. Try pushing it in or sliding it. Huh? Where at? Why are they on?
Sure.
Do I have to turn them off with the key? Oh, so you can turn the bike off and the hazards will still be on. That's cool.
So yeah, the key's got to be in to turn the hazard.
Yeah, key's got to be in to turn the hazards off. Something new. Key off. We're good. Yep. All right.
So if you want to get that re-review now that
Yep.
the taillight's plugged.
Now that the taillight's plugged in, there's taillight. There's hazards. There we go. Shit works. Bright as shit. That's way better. Alright, cool. So, yeah, make sure you turn it off with the key on. Sick. You can see that plate. You can't see that plate at all. Whoops. Well, you know what? If they didn't put so many cameras up, I'd run a plate that they could see better. But I don't really want them tracing my ass home or knowing who I am. So, yeah, as you can see, video of the install for the taillights done. More to come. Like I said, hard to get parts for this bike right now, with it being such a new bike. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this one off. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more work on this. I still have that to work on. Samson's got projects. Too many projects. So, yep. Stay tuned for see you guys in the next one. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. See you.